Looking for a great side hustle and want real talk? Most 2026 side hustle advice falls into two extremes. Either it's hype or it's so technical it feels impossible to start. Digital real estate is the middle path that actually makes sense for busy people. Here's what it is. You create a small website that targets service and city searches, the stuff real customers type into Google every day. Then you apply local SEO to help that site get found. Then, as calls and estimate requests come in, you rent the site monthly to local businesses looking for new customers. Then wash, rinse, and repeat in other cities and markets. Now, you can spend 2026 doing one of three things. Keep bouncing between side hustles and restarting every month. Keep watching videos and staying stuck in research mode, or build one focused asset with a simple plan and repeat it once you understand the process. If you're working a full-time job, juggling family, and you want something that can grow without needing a huge audience, this is exactly why the Starter Kit exists. The free digital real estate starter kit shows you how to choose a niche that gets searched, how to pick a city with opportunity, what keywords to start with, and what your first build should look like. Tap the button to download the free starter kit and get the roadmap.